They always say if you want to fix your finances, avoid the big expenses. A new car, a down payment on a house. Honestly, I think that's wrong. It's just bad advice. Real talk. The thing that's truly destroying us isn't a $10,000 purchase. It's the $7 iced latte, the one we buy every single day. And I'm gonna prove why that's actually a good thing. So my day starts like this. The alarm goes off. First thing I see, a Slack notification from my boss. The subject, urgent revisions. My stress levels, rising. Heart rate, picking up. My brain immediately screams, I need something. I need a life support system. So obviously, I open a delivery app. I order a ridiculously expensive latte with oat milk, of course, and an extra shot of espresso. 30 minutes later, it arrives. That first sip. It's pure caffeinated bliss. All my anxiety just melts away. I'm ready to tackle those revisions. I feel invincible. That feeling lasts for about 15 minutes. Then I see another bill, my credit card statement, a subscription for an app that I used once 3 months ago. The panic comes back. This time it's darker. I need a hug, but like in the form of carbs. I order takeout tacos from that place that's way too expensive, with extra guacamole. The tacos arrive, and for a brief moment, the world is at peace again. I've forgotten all my problems until I realize I've just spent $50 and it's not even lunchtime. Okay, I need to get it together. I need to be a responsible adult. I know the solution. Everyone talks about it. A budgeting app. I download the most popular one. It has a friendly green icon, looks promising. I start with so much energy, logging every single penny. That morning latte? Logged. The stressed tacos? Logged. I feel like the CEO of my own financial future. That was day one. Day two? I bought a new video game skin. My team was on a losing streak. It was a necessary morale boost. I forgot to log it. Day three, I bought a bunch of aesthetic stickers for my laptop because vibes. I told myself, I'll just log it all later tonight. Of course I forgot. Day four, I open the app and I see this backlog of transactions that I failed to enter. It felt like more homework from the worst boss I've ever had, myself. I closed the app and I never opened it again. No, this isn't the solution. Tracking every dollar just makes me feel more guilty. It just adds to the anxiety. There has to be another way, a different way to look at this. And that's when it hit me. I've been focusing on the wrong thing. The problem isn't how much I'm spending. It's about what I'm getting in return. So here it is, a reminder for all of us at O Reminder. Stop tracking your spending in dollars and start tracking it in a new metric, joy per dollar, JPD. Think about it. That $7 latte that kept you from having a mental breakdown, that has a high joy per dollar. Those tacos that made you forget that you kind of hate your job, the JTD is through the roof. You're not bad with money. You're not impulsive. You are an investor, a micro-joy investor. You're not wasting money. You are strategically allocating funds to your happiness portfolio. You're investing in your own sanity. So next time you feel that guilt, just remember this. You're making a critical investment in your most valuable asset, a version of you that isn't screaming internally. So I have to ask, what was your last micro investment and how high was its joy per dollar? Give me your best justification in the comments.